Hello again, everyone. My name's Tim, and this is part 7. Still on I'm here in Battle Creek at the Woodland Park and Nature Preserve. It's in between Gethings Road. It's off of Gethings Road and Helmer Road. Got 2 entrances that you could get into this park. One will lead you into the woods. It's a beautiful wooding area that you cut through. Tell a lot of open field out here. I got open field out here. Like I said in the other parts of this video, that this park does have some major plans for it, but for now they just don't have the money to do anything. The city of Battle Creek is really low on funding, and they can't ask them for any money to help out. So if there's anybody that's willing to pitch in and donate some money to help out this park, hey, do so, man. This park would really appreciate it with all the help they could get to fix it up, because their major plans is you can see the paths are grassed right now, and their major plans is to get this grass blacktopped. Yeah, they'll be putting paved blacktop walks out here in the future, if they could get the help. We'll be going that way when I come back. You can tell they got benches for people to sit on. You can tell they don't do a pretty good job keeping the grass away from there. And you could tell how bad, if you could see how bad it is up above, up there, kind of a swampy area. And sure, they want to get this fixed up down the road. Then it brings you through the woods, this part. Then, you know, they got a swamp area for your ducks and whatever kind of animals they got. Then they got a little brook here. Yeah, crazy having a brook here. That's why I gotta wear boots out here. I'd like to see if anybody's interested if anybody from Battle Creek is watching this, and I'd like to do some work out here where people don't have to walk through that. Sometimes those trees over there won't keep the water from it, and it will get really full, and it's hard to get across. You can tell they don't have any bridges to cross, and it gets full with water. And there's an old potato digger that was left by somebody long time ago. Anybody that's looking for an old potato digger, hey, come out here and get it. just sits out here and it's rotten. And you can tell they got like a area over there of swamp for your geese and ducks. This is the other part of the nature preserve. If you could tell, this place isn't busy. Not busy at all. Not very much walkers come out here. Well, you might see a few, but this park just does. Whoa, walking on. Gonna trip if I don't watch it. Tell how bad this is. Okay, everyone. Be on the lookout for part 8.